What's going on YouTube? I'm Judy Harrison. Welcome back to my channel. So we are headed off to Sugar Shack today. I'm going to practice filming some nice slow-mo buttery 120p B-roll. That's going to be fun.
The woods are spooky. What? What's spooky? Why is there something in here? And why there's a cow over here? Hi. Hi. Stop. I want to say hi to her.
And your finger.
Daddy. Hi, Dad.
It's so cold that the sap from the maple trees completely frozen. So I'm experimenting. I hope this is in focus, that you can see me, that I'm not overly exposed. But we are walking along in the trail. We went to a sugar shack. We're in Mont-St-Grégoire. And it is a beautiful, beautiful day out here. I mean, check this out. So that was a very short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell to join the notification squad. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.